from afripeak.com, right? African Stock Images. What's your name?
I'm Favor.
Favor. So conference, UDC conference, Untitled designers. So how did you hear about them?
Heard about them on Twitter actually.
On Twitter. Wow. Was there any particular page that you followed or?
No. I think from last year I was supposed to come, but I could not make it.
My name is Muna. What's your name? Alex. Alex. Yeah. Alex, are you shy? No. So my name is Muna from Afripeak. Okay. Afripeak.com. So I just have a few questions for you, Alex. Mm-hmm. How did you find out about UDC? Twitter actually. A colleague of mine posted the picture. I think last year, the first edition. So I was like, when I saw that, I was like, interested in coming to the event because I figured it was a lot of fun, and I was not on. So you said 2 years ago. That means that you've been stalking them since. That's a very nice one. I have. Wow, interesting. So what do you do? I'm a brand designer. Brand designer. I'm an illustrator too. Oh wow, nice one. And the brand manager. And the brand strategist. I like brand basically. I love brands. Nice to meet you, Coin. So you're here as well.
Here as one of the team members, team lead for the event. Yeah.
So hi Coin, we are from afripeak.com. I'm sure you've already heard us. We are partners to your event, UDC. But how was it from the planning stage to the mock-up stage, and how you guys eventually carried this event out? Because it seemed like a success very much. So how was it?
I think it was a journey. It's a lot of people brought a lot to the table, so it was an amazing experience. I'm so glad that it turned out really, really well because a lot of people really put in a lot of effort to make it turn out well. So I'm really, really happy.